In this video, we will show you how to customize the candidate profile. First, you need to go to your site. Among the many options there, you will see Jobus. Go to the Settings option under Jobus. After that, click on Candidate Specifications below. You will now see many options. From there, you can customize the settings as needed. For example, if you want to add an email, click on Email. Below, you will see the Add option. Enter the email and click on the Save button on the upper right side. Similarly, you can customize all the options as per your requirements. If you want to create a new option, click on the Add New button. Suppose you want to enable an option called Language. Inside it, you can write English, Hindi, or your own language. Click on the Save button below. After that, go to the Candidate option. Click on the Edit button for the option you want to modify. From there, you can customize the content. Then, click on Specifications and adjust the profile as you wish. If you want to see the overview, you can view it by clicking on the View Candidate option.